Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
This is the Learn, Develop, Live podcast, bringing you all the motivation and inspiration to try and help kickstart your day. We must learn who is gold and who is gold-plated. If you think of those close to you, you have those who do that little extra than others. You'll have the gold people in your life always there when you need them, support you and being your encouragement. On the flip side, the gold-plated people. These are the ones that are in your life on their terms. This is normally when they need something or they have no other options out there. You are there for their convenience. You'll work out who the gold ones are, and you can start to lose the cheaper gold-plated friendships that you've been collecting over the years.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.